Here we got a 1967 Pontiac Bonneville. Maybe wearing its original paint. You can see like the, it's peeling off and stuff. Or maybe that's a repaint and the repaint's peeling off and stuff. Well, otherwise it looks like it's in really great shape. I mean, it's dirty and dingy and doesn't have the wheel covers on it, but it's vinyl top for sale. Interior looks pretty good shape. It's all there. And
how we doing? All right.
Pretty good. Pretty good. It's nice and clean. Very little. Yeah. Just a nice body style. And this is where like DeLorean was making Pontiac go, because everything was, look at this, huh? Not much, typical, but not much. Not much problem with this one. Amazing. Good shape for survivor, man, big time. 67, that's 52 years it's been around. Original condition, great.